Hey there! What do you guys use to help block the sun glare on riding? Tinted visor is an option. However, you must change back to a clear one at evening. So inconvenient. Sunglasses? Your ears will be hurt as the tight helmet will squeeze your ears to the sunglasses arms. WeePro PHA insert could be a perfect option. PHA means photochromic, heat resistant, and anti-fog. And it also can block 100% UV ray. This insert is almost clear without UV light. I like the blue, but you barely realize it, even at night. Now, let's do a test for the performance. This is a UV flashlight. Turn it on and directly expose the WeePro PHA insert for just 10 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see how dark it is. Measure the number. Only less than 5% visible light can pass. Like a sunglass, all harmful UV light is blocked, and it blocks most IR. Only less than 30% IR can pass. It will be tinted to different dark level and different level of UV ray. And let me show you the anti-fog performance. Have a deep breath and blow as strong as you can to this insert. You see, the helmet visor is fogged up, no fog on the insert. Can you imagine it? Your normal visor can be anti-glare and anti-fog whenever you want. Now the best part, it takes only a few minutes to apply on your helmet, and we guarantee it will keep you comfortable for years to come. You will be able to ride your bike regardless of the weather. You will forget about the sun blurring your vision and messing up an otherwise unforgettable ride. Let's go over the 8 easy steps quickly. Step 1. Wash your hands and find a clean table. Step 2. Clean up the outside of your motorcycle visor. Step 3. Take out the WeePro PHA insert and remove the remove tag. Step 4. Peel off the positioning mask with the red tag. There is a glue frame on the PHA insert, so be sure the glue side will be on the top. Install the positioning mask on the outside of your helmet visor. You can adjust the position until it is on a comfortable position. The cross should be in the middle of your helmet visor. Step 5. Disassemble your helmet visor. Step 6. Squeeze the PHA insert. Hold the sides to avoid polluting the glue frame. Align the cross on the insert and positioning mask. If it doesn't align, just peel it off. And do it again. Step 7. Use your finger with soft fabric to press the glue around for the best adhesion. Do not press until you completely find the right position on step 6. Here is a tip. If you have a dual curved visor, use the soft fabric to press the insert hardly from middle to sides. You will get a better adhesion and optical view. Step 8. Remove the protective mask with a blue tag. Remove the positioning mask with a red tag. Install the visor back to your helmet. That's it. You got it. Easy, right? Now I want to ask you, would you like to own or distribute the simplest and the most effective product for removing sun glare? If so, I have some great news. We have already launched this upgraded product to the market. We have an universal version and can custom the shape. You can order from the links below. Some riders may buy our old version products. They feedback that the old version had a little reflection and haze. I'm glad to tell you, all those problems were eliminated on this version. Additionally, WeePro offers 6 months warranty. If you face any quality problems of WeePro, please contact us for free replacement. After years, if you want to change the PHA insert since scratch or other reasons, just buy a new one, peel it off, and install the new one. Now, we are recruiting distributors and ODM OEM customers globally. Send us an email to the mailbox below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.